build a tower and I knock it down, would it be a righteous thing to do? Would it make a difference in the face of death? Laurie, I know you question these things too. Getting past it, until didactic, yeah. Victims of our choices, yeah. Eyewitness of truth, to run at sunset. Stay monosyllabic, yeah. It's left to me. If I build a tower and I knock it down, watch the spiders run across the sand. Would I even know I was dreaming? Are you really here? Satisfaction feels so permanent in a marble ring. 10 vinegar sweet. Alchemist compass, lady's confession, searching for me. What are you supposed to do? I know you question these